Why do we bless you for sneezing? It's an old habit with a lot of weird beliefs attached to it. One theory dates back to the plague era. People said, bless you to ward off death. Another says that sneezing expels your soul, or at least lets evil in. So saying bless you was a way to keep the evil spirits out. In 590 AD, Pope Gregory Dyang encouraged the use of the phrase during a plague. He said it would drive out demons. The ancient Greeks thought that sneezing meant the gods were watching over you. Some believed that sneezing momentarily stopped your heart, so you had to say, bless you to restart it. Other cultures don't say anything at all. They just knock on wood to ward off bad luck. In Japan, sneezy means someone's talking about you. And in some languages, the response is to your health. It's a global ritual, but the meaning varies. So next time you say it, remember, you're echoing ancient fears.